Hi there, Year Nines. Before we have a look at how to balance equations, there's a couple of things that we should know already, and they are these. We should know what an element is. An element, such as oxygen, is a substance, one type of atom only, no other types of atom. So that's a substance. A compound, on the other hand, is two or more atoms put together in some sort of formula that gives us a substance. So this is an element and this is a compound. Two lots of hydrogen, one lot of oxygen. So a molecule is really a group of atoms hanging around together. A molecule can be either of an element or of a compound. So the air that we breathe, oxygen, that generally hangs around in pairs, O2. That means this. There's two atoms of oxygen in that molecule. Whereas with H2O, it means there are two hydrogen and one oxygen in a molecule. Now that subscript tells us how many atoms there are in the molecule. If there's no subscript, it means there's one, same as algebra, just one. We don't use the coefficient 1. Now, when we're using a coefficient, it means how many of those compounds there are. So 202 means there are two lots of this. And in fact, there'll be 4 atoms. Two lots of H2O means that there will be two lots of this molecule. Now that's important. In this instance, we've got two lots of 2 hydrogen, so we've got 4, and we've got 2 lots of 1 oxygen, so we've got 2. So that's important because we need to understand that this subscript tells us how many atoms are in the molecule, and this tells us how many groups there are of that molecule. When we balance equations, we don't fiddle with this one, it's this one that is used to balance out equations. And we'll have a look at how we do that.